All right, y'all. So we about to make some vegetarian hot dog. Well, hamburger dogs. Whatever. So we're gonna put some oil inside our pan. Nice generous amount. We're gonna crush up some wonton noodles. This is Beyond Meat. We're gonna mix our wonton noodles with our Beyond Meat. We're gonna come through and add some crushed up vegetables or chopped up vegetables and seasoning salt. Some Mexican cheese. Ooh, delicioso. So that's carrot, zucchini, squash, diced up, and peppers. Diced up. Then we're gonna add an egg and mix that up. Is that more oil? Okay, so after we put these together, we actually put it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The longer the better. We put them on a hot oil stove, whatever, grill, and then we add some smoke, some liquid smoke, because we want it to taste like it was on a grill and we're not really outside. We cooking in our house or whatever. It still tastes mad good. But as you can see, because we froze it, it held its firm. Then we throw in some shallots in there because shallots taste really good. Then we got some hickory smoked Gouda. We're going to add a little bit more to the liquid smoke because I was running out, so we just going to finish that. This is what it came out looking like, and it was delicious. I hope you enjoy. See you guys later.